In this video, we're going to go over fee schedules in CoreHD. Fee schedules are only available if you convert to the new Insurance V2 dashboard. To do that, you're going to go to Settings, Office, Office Configuration, toggle Insurance V2 to On. To set up a fee schedule, you're going to go to Insurance, Settings, Fee Schedules. Here you can set up a fee schedule. You can see any that are inactive, see ones at the system level and the location level. To set up a fee schedule, you're just going to click on Create New Fee Schedule, name it, and then you're going to fill out the settings as you see here. So I'm going to click Add Item to Fee Schedule. This one is going to be a service. Say I want to set up the adjustment 1 to 2 region. I can add a modifier if I would like. I can add the allowed amount, and I could set a default responsibility. Say if I have a certain service that's always going to go to patient responsibility versus insurance, I can set that here. You can also check if you always want it to be billable. So say for instance, if you want a service to always be patient responsibility, then you want to check billable because it's not going to be billed since it's going to be patient responsibility. You can add multiple services. You can also add an inventory item and set up the fee schedule this way. Now, the fee schedule will only come into effect when you are posting the EOB for the patient. So what it will do is automatically pull over that allowed amount that you set up in the fee schedule itself. After you set up a fee schedule, you do want to apply it to a patient's default services. You're going to do that by going into the patient's default services. And let me remove these so we can see what it would look like from the beginning. Now, just to add normal default services, you would select this option here. But what I'm going to do first now, since I want to use a fee schedule, is select the fee schedule. Say I want to do the Blue Cross Blue Shield fee schedule that I have set up. I'm going to add the service. And then here I can see the message that says controlled by fee schedule, meaning the office cannot change this amount because you're applying the fee schedule to this patient. Now let's compare that to a service that was not set up on this fee schedule. As you can see, the boxes are available versus saying controlled by fee schedule. So again, once you set up a fee schedule, you're going to go into the patient's default services, select the appropriate fee schedule, and then add the service. And you can see it would be controlled by fee schedule, and I'm going to hit Save Changes. And now this is a default service for this patient. I have it set to every visit, meaning this will apply automatically when a SOAP note is posted through the doctor's SOAP note screen. And it will pull the information that's set up on the fee schedule. So the billed amount and the allowed amount. And then whenever I go to post an EOB for this patient, it's going to pull over what was on that fee schedule. So it'll pull over the allowed amount for each of those services. It will apply when you are adding services to the ledger. And if you have one set to automatically go to patient responsibility, then it will automatically go to patient responsibility. So those are the times that you'll see the fee schedule come into play, is how it does apply to the ledger and also how it applies on the EOB posting screen. To reiterate, fee schedules are only available in the Insurance V2 dashboard.